Oh, there's one car out there. I mean, I'm really wondering how a normal car would make it out right now. There's no cabin or anything. Do you think the trains are running?
Well, Belmont to, you know the way to my place, right?
Oh, left.
Yeah.
You're right.
Well, like from Howard to Belmont, the switches are frozen, so there's like no trains running from up there. So I don't even know if they're running anywhere else.
Oh, really? This is nuts, dude.
Oh, look at
I'm kind of
this.
loving this.
What?
I'm kind of loving this driving through this shit in my Jeep. I'm like test driving it right now. I wanted to test drive it. I just went through like...
What the fuck are they doing?
I don't think they can walk.
Oh
that.
yeah, that'd be nuts, right? If they walked it. Well, at least they're getting out of the way. Snow goggles.
Look at Chicago, dude. What the fuck is going on right now? That was pure. That's pure ice right there.
Yeah. Man, I don't think anything's gonna be open tomorrow.
No, I don't think they just come to work tomorrow.
This
Look
is
at it.
literally
Look at the fuck, man.
snow flurries.
It's about as bad as it can get. I mean, what's next? Apocalypse?
Let's find an empty parking lot, do some donuts.
If Apocalypse was coming, we'd be like crashing shop windows right now.
Oh hell yeah! Like the Apple Store. Look at it! Look at it! Oh my god! Little whatever that is. Look how much snow he has on that.
Good luck, man. You got your work cut out for you tonight.
Oh, look at this poor guy trying to make a turn. Oh, I don't think he's gonna make it. Is he gonna make it?
I don't know,
Oh.
dude.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Oh. Oh, at least he can kind of move. I don't know what to do.
Do you have cigarettes?
I just made one.
Oh, can you make me one?
Sure. That's right now.
Dude,
So you can probably just take north to western and take a right on it.
We like this shit they got
Can I
stuck
action
in.
this or what?
Yeah, the shit they got stuck in wasn't even half as bad as like the shit we went through out of the garage.
I know. Like the snow out of your garage is like half of
It was
me.
ridiculous. Yeah. We had to do nothing.
Yeah, sorry, I ran out of filters.
That's it. I'm getting high.
Well, that street light's out, so we can't do much.
I mean, like, honestly, we can get away with murder right now. It looks like there's no one out on the street. I just don't want to fuck up the car because I know myself. Like, if I start getting into it right now, I'm just worried at home. I'm like out drifting with you in the middle of Chicago.
Oh shit. I thought that cop was gonna get stuck.
I mean, we could escape from cops so easily right now.
We're in a Jeep. You can't catch us in the snow.
I mean, do you think they could? Think about it. Look at him. He just drifted like crazy.
in that parking lot?
He just like turned and his tail just like went
That's
crazy.
nuts.
Are we going straight still?
Yeah. Oh yeah, just wait till you hit like Milwaukee and then you take a right.
Oh, okay.
He almost got stuck too.
Look at this.
Yeah, but look at that big little pile of snow right over there.
Yeah, look at that blizzard. Like it's just constant. Like, think if this was wilderness. Like, the only reason it doesn't look that bad is because we're surrounded by buildings.
Where's Bear Grylls?
Exactly. Like, stuck out in the forest or some shit in the middle of this would not be pretty.
You gotta do to survive.
You gotta do when you're in a survival situation. You gotta put your prejudices aside.
If you're stuck in the middle of a strange city and a blizzard hits, build an igloo.
Look at that. Woohoo! Like, I can feel the snow.
Yeah.
I guess we're in part-time means four-wheel drive too.
I guess.
Because
Yeah, I see it's on.
the other one did not work at all.
Well, it's because you put it on like 4-wheel low or whatever.
But what's the difference between four-wheel low and part-time?
I don't know.
I wonder if there's traction control in this or doesn't really matter. Right? This is too creepy. You don't understand. I wish you were high right now.
What?
I wish you were high right now to like
Really enjoy it.
really enjoy it. Yeah. In a way, I kind of hope it keeps snowing until like Sunday.
Oh,
So
God.
it gets really fucked. Like people like, it would be fine.
I'm guessing
just
the
need to make
plows
it
are
to
having
the
a
clover.
hard time keeping up with the snow. Look at this.
Yeah. I would really not take any car out right now except a Jeep or like an SUV.
Is that another person out in the middle of the road?
It's
A dude.
like suicidal to do this right now.
Oh, ah, tail. You're gonna take him out?
Yeah. How funny was
This is
that?
Milwaukee right here. Take a easy right. Like,
Right
not
there.
here, but like over there, yeah. Oh, that guy's stuck!
That's what the third guy we're seeing now?
Oh, that poor bastard. He's stuck till
Fuck.
till tow trucks must be having a grand old time today.
Oh, do you hear this?
It's crazy. Well, at least they got Milwaukee.
Do you think you'll have work tomorrow?
I don't work tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Holy shit, that would. That Verizon's almost snowed in. Look at all those stores. I like that Blockbuster is now a yoga studio.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is some intense fucking shit, dude. I don't think I was gonna make it out.
Out of the garage.
Oh, shit, yeah. That'd be funny if I got stuck halfway out of the garage. It really looks unreal.
Yeah. Oh man, my car must be snowed in.
Is it outside?
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, battery's dead anyway. I can't do much.
how much would it be to replace the battery?
$50.
It's nothing. I mean, comparatively speaking.
Take a right. Ho, 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 ho. Look at this. Oh my god, the bus got stuck. That's so terrible.
I don't know if you would have made it home, to be honest.
I don't know. I probably had to build an igloo. All Bear Grylls. That poor bus.
There's no way. Like, just everything's dead.
Yeah, man, I'll cross the street from here. I don't want you to go into my neighborhood where it's probably not plowed at all.
No, yeah. Where are
Oh
you,
shit,
Jared?
right there. Look at my street. Holy shit.
Hold on.
I can do a Yui.
I'm gonna try.
Probably the only time you can pull a
You're
Yui.
just sliding. Alright.
That poor bus. I'll see you. It's been an adventure.
Yeah, dude. Have fun getting back.
Oh, I know. I gotta walk
Hey,
through.
can you throw this away from me?
Yeah, I will.
Thanks.
No problem.
Alright.
Hey, you have like 2 lighters on your floor.
It's all good.
See ya. Oh shit. Oh fuck that sidewalk. Oh man. Oh fuck. I can't go anywhere. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Ah. Oh fuck. Fucking shit. Oh. 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 Oh, this is just magical. Please open. This is great. This is fantastic. This is my fence. Alright, got enough room. Shit. Okay, it won't close now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh my god, where are my stairs? Whoa, shit. Oh, I fell. Oh, fuck. There's my other stairs. Oh dear god. I'm gonna have to start sledding down this.